Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share in a swap that I received, that I participated in, and this swap was hosted by Judy at my scrapbook loft. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you can see for her future swaps and the past swaps that she's hosted. Her and Donna from Donna Dreams Times 3 host a monthly swap, and each of them take turns hosting it. So this past month, which was June, was Judy, and this month, which is July, will be Donna's. She's hosting this month, and she's hosting embellishments. So that's what the swap is this month, embellishments. And I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel so that you can find out the information to participate this month if you're interested. So let's see. Okay. Oh, she wrote a little note. Thank you so much for joining the swap this month. Here are your 3 bag toppers in exchange for the 3 you sent in. Also enclosed is a small token of my appreciation. It's not much, just a thank you. Aw, Judy, thank you so much. You don't have to include anything. Like, I love joining the swaps, and the things we get back is enough. But so this must be what she did include. And then, so thank you. And these are my toppers that I got back. I did do a video of the toppers I sent in, so I'll leave that in the description box below as well. But let's see, I don't know if any of them say who they are from, but how beautiful. Look at this topper, and it fits right there on the bag. I could trim it down if I wanted to as well. It says D's Crafts on the inside. So thank you, D's Crafts. Look at how pretty she's got that gold thread with the sequins on it. And then she has a scalloped die that is backed to a rosette. And then it says craft like no one's watching. Check it out. Pretty, so beautiful. Thank you, thank you. And then the next one I have, it says treasures. Oh, I don't think I included bags with my toppers. Bad. Oh, this is just on a backing. I thought it was a bag, but it fits the bag that it came in. Aw, it says treasure. Look at all of the stickles, I think it is. Glitter everywhere, shiny, shiny. She used some flat pearls and some die cut pieces. And this is a nice bag topper cut out. And this is from Linda's Thrifty Life. Thank you, Linda. She just celebrated is it 70th birthday, Linda? I think it is. So that's from Linda. Thank you so much. And then the last but not least, oh, this one has a card in it. Ooh, and some extras, I think. But how pretty, like, is the bag topper included with the swap. Look at how pretty. And this is this foam? Nope. Okay, I'm not sure. My video ran out of space, memory space. So yes, but it is paper. And then look at how beautiful the bag topper is for the swap. These butterfly with all the layers, and then a butterfly topper. And then she has this ribbon tied here, and then another hugs. So cute. Oh, and she's even added the sticky tape for us Thank you. And oh, look, she's added this 2 die cut hugs, which is cool because I don't think I have a die that says hugs. And then this paper, I just noticed that she backed in the packaging. It's like embossed. It says stuff on it too. And then this is who made that. Tammy Stamping Therapy. Thank you so much, Tammy. I love it. It is beautiful. So yeah, look at this. And if you guys want to join in on the monthly swaps, you get a good variety of stuff back, and you get crafts from different ladies, and maybe ladies you don't know. You might end up with a new crafty friend. So yeah, check out the links in the description box below to learn more about the swaps. And thank you so much, Dee's Crafts, Linda's Thrifty Life, and Tammy's Stamping Therapy. If you guys like to join me on my crafty journey, go ahead and subscribe below. And then stay tuned for more videos here. Like and subscribe and share. Till the next video, shakas!